Alright, 1995 Camry here. Trying to see why there's a brake noise. Go ahead and release the handbrakes. Yeah. Alright, release handbrake, and then now go ahead and go to park and drive and move back and forth. Neutral. This is reverse. Go to drive. Okay, change the gears again. Okay, and go back to park. And go to drive. And drive now, let go. Try to get the go drive, and then like spin the wheel. Okay, hit the brakes. And then go to reverse. And go ahead and add some gas. Or let go of the brakes. Okay, hit the brakes. Okay, go to drive. Okay, you're in drive, let go of the brakes. Hit the brakes. Go to park. Park. Drive. Park and drive. Go ahead, park and drive. Park and drive. Shift the gears from park to drive, yeah. Again. Okay, you shut down the car.